Hi, to take screenshots on your POCO F6, we have several ways. And the first one is really simple. You just need to find the power button and volume down button, and you need to hold them like that, and now the screenshot is taken. So you can immediately select it. You can delete it by tapping this recycle bin icon. You can share with this screenshot. You can draw something on this screenshot and save it to the gallery by pressing the check mark. Now the second option, let's just open this website to make the screenshot more interesting. So the second option, just swipe down from the upper right corner to trigger the control center and find the scissors icon, which you need to tap, and now the screenshot is taken. You can also resize it like that and save to the gallery. And the third way, my personal favorite, you will need to simply swipe down with your 3 fingers. Let's try this out one more time. And you can see that this screenshot is taken. So if something does not work for you, then go in the settings. Here you will need to go in the additional settings, and after that select gesture shortcuts and select this take a screenshot. Make sure that those 2 options are enabled. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.